All right, we're gonna go over how to draw a bird flying. Okay, it's gonna be real simple, easy, completely for beginners. It's gonna be step by step. And when I draw this, you can either draw with me or you can just watch, because I know watching can help you learn as well through osmosis. So you can either watch or join along. Let's do this, okay? It's gonna be real short, stay till the end. Curve right here for the top of the bird's head. And we're not gonna make it any specific bird, we're just gonna kind of make it a general bird. Curve over here the front. Go over here to the beak area. So I'm gonna go over here, curve right there, pull back, line right here, pull back, curve underneath. I'm gonna go right here and draw a curve right there for the bird's eye. Kind of look like it's like, hee hee, how's it going? What's up? All right, gonna go right here, curve line over here for the top, line over here, curve right here for the back, line right for the shoulder. You know, well, shoulder, kind of the bird, the wing. Now we're gonna go over here, pull out for the wing, down right here for the feathers. Right here, out, in, right here for the feathers. So I'm gonna pull out over here, curve in for kind of one kind of blade, one wing. And so we're gonna pull back, as you'll see. So we're gonna pull out as well, curve in, out, curve in. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna curve all the way back on that one. Okay, going over here, out, dash, in for kind of tail feather, out over here, in for a tail feather, out over here, in right there. Over here on this side, pull up, out, pull up, out, pull over here. I'm gonna go over here underneath him, curve another line underneath, just kind of get a little bit more body there. I think he needs a little bit more body, you know, as he's flying. All right, and what we could do here is start pulling lines up toward this, kind of this area here. Well, I guess it's across, so you could pull lines up, 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 up. Over here on this side, up, 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 up. Curve. Line over here, line over here. Line out over here. And we're mostly done, honestly. You can throw another thin layer right here of like these curved lines. See these curve, 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 curve. Just kind of gonna give it a, you know, give it a, oops, sharpen the eye out a little bit. To give it a little bit of texture, and that's kind of what you want, right? You're wanting that texture. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create a thick line on the outside, or I can actually pull lines here. A thick line on the outside, and what that's gonna do is that's going to give it a just kind of a better presentation is throwing this thick line around just outside. Not super thick, but thick enough. Oopsie daisy. Like drawing it thick enough like that is going to give it a much better presentation. And what's going to happen is you're going to be able to see it. Whew, you're going to be able to read the image right off the bat. So much easier. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you have any requests, let me know. And the other thing I want to know is if you know, there's a certain anime character or some kind of character that you want me to draw, I will totally do it. Just let me know in the comments section and I'll dig through it. I dig through those all the time. And that's pretty much it. So absolutely let me know about that, okay? Curve right here. Maybe a little bit of a thicker line around the face area. And if you want to get extra with this, you can do stuff like you can create like an environment he's in. So he's flying. You could create maybe the tops of trees or tops of clouds right here. Right, like he's flying over the clouds to give it a an environment. Right, like the bird. It makes it more believable when you do that. We can throw like a little like, right, sun setting above the clouds in order for, you know, this, you know, what's going to happen to him when he gets home. If you want to get like, this is all just extra stuff really. You can throw out more clouds over here. You can draw something over here as well. You can draw like his friends back here, maybe like this M, you know, that M thing with other birds way off in the distance that are also flying as well. All of this, everything you add is going to add to kind of the whole image and the story of what you want. Even though this stuff is very simple, you want to have a little bit of a story, right? A little bit of a story, like he's flying home. You know, he's flying to just kind of like a fun day in his existence. What is it that he's trying to do? You know, or like what's going on around him. Like I said, he's flying to see his friend. What is he doing? So when you do that kind of stuff, it's always going to be a positive, and you're always going to come out, you know, a lot better for it. So that's pretty much it. Share the video on Twitter or Instagram or anywhere. It helps immensely. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we'll talk very soon, all right? See you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.